OSTPA, thank you. We'd like to thank for being here as well. The green flag is out. Tracy Barnes, the Oliver 2150, called Head Games, an alcohol superstock out of Worcester, Ohio. Tracy Barnes and Head Games. We'll find out what the deal is. If he's going to be able to hit Snowmobile Club, also enjoys four-wheeling. It's an alcohol burner. It's called the Alcoholic Harvester. Good run, the Alcoholic Harvester out of Shelby, Ohio, our current point leader. We're about ready to go. Donald Emery, ladies and gentlemen. International 1066, the Red Bricklayer, a super farm out of Ashland, Ohio. Super stocks, but glad to have him here tonight. Donald Emery on his International 1066 called the Red Bricklayer. He calls it the Plowboy's Nightmare. Man, don't sound the Plowboy's Nightmare. School teacher in Plymouth, Ohio. And we're ready to go at the Mack Trailer starting line. Richard Carpenton, the Buckeye Stinger. And he's having trouble. Buckeye Stinger. For the Buckeye Stinger. Hodem still in the lead at the Kale Marketing Leader flag, 305.88. 49 years old, out of West Salem, Ohio. It's called Another Deer. Not a bad run at all. Give him a hand. Good run for Kim Parabeck out of West Salem, Ohio. East IH fans here tonight. Come on, let me hear it. Yeah. We need a good run out of him tonight. He's going to start on the right side of the Mack Trailer full-length track. Frank Keener, a Case International MX305. It's called Triple X. Looks like they got the chassis back together, held up pretty good. Good run. Is it enough? Remember the distance to beat is 305.1066. International called Always Something. point champion, Dwayne Keener, on the John Deere 8330, called Bambi. Is it gonna be enough? One more, it's called Head Games. Still having difficulty.